Welcome back. This is another question that we are going to apply determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. But I'm telling you that this one is a very complex question. So let's start. So the first you are going to do is you write your positive, negative, positive, and fill in the elements there. This is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is x plus 1, this is 3, this is 3, this is 1, this is x plus 1. Okay, so as usual, you take this one out, you have x plus 4, then you blind this side, you blind this side, so you're going to have x plus 1, 3, 1, x plus 1, then go to the next one, negative 1, you blind this side, you blind this side, that is 1, 3, 3, and x plus 1, and finally, a positive 2, you blind this side, you have a 1, x plus 1, 3, and 1. Remember how I explained this before? Then you apply the determinant of 2 by 2 for it. So you multiply this and this. That's x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 minus 3 times 1, 3. I'm done with that. Minus 1. And you multiply these together as x plus 1 minus. You multiply this together. 3 times 3 is 9. And finally, you multiply these together. 1 times 1, 1. And you multiply this. That will give us 3 into bracket x plus 1. So then you remove the bracket. So we have something like this. X plus 4 into bracket. X plus 1 times x plus 1. You get x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 3 minus 1 into x plus 1 minus 9 will give us minus 8 plus 2 into 1. Remove this bracket. You have minus 3x minus 3. Don't forget, the determinant must give us 2. So don't forget to put your 2 here. It's equals to 2. So we're going to have x plus 4 into x squared plus 2x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 8 plus 2 into minus 3x, 1 minus 3 minus 2, everything is equals to 2. Then for this one, you remove the bracket. So you have x times x squared, s cubed, x times 2x, 2s squared, x times 2, 2x plus 4 times x squared, 4s squared plus 4 times 2x, 8x minus 4 times 2, 8, yeah, minus 1 times x, minus 1 times minus 8, plus 8, minus 2 times 3x, 6x, plus times minus minus, 2 times 2, 4 is equals to 2. So what you just need to do is just expand the bracket. Then you collect like terms together. You have x raised to power 3. We have plus 2x plus 4x squared. No. Plus 2x squared plus 4x squared give us plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 8x, that's 6x. 6x minus x, that's 5x. 5x minus 6x, that's minus x. Then for the constant term, minus 8 plus 8. This one cancel this one. Then you have minus 4. Then bring this 2 back here, that is minus 2 equals to 0. So you're going to have x raised to power 3 plus 6x squared minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. This equation that we get here is called a cubic equation. A cubic equation is a form of equation that is a polynomial equation. So now, we'll go to another round. How do we solve this equation now? S cubed plus 6x squared minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. So you're going to apply your try by error method. So you put x to be equals to 1. If I put x to be equals to 1, if the remainder is 0, that means x minus 1 is a what? Factor. So let's start. So this one will become 1 raised to power 3 plus 6 square 1 raised to power 2 minus 1 minus 6 equals to 0. This will give me 1 plus this will give me 6 minus 1 minus 6 equals to 0. It must give me 0. 1 plus this, 7 minus 7 equals to 0. That is 0 is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 equals to 0 is a what? Factor. So the first possible value for x is 1. So the first value that you can replace as x here is what? 1. So that means that we need to look for the remaining factors, which are 2. Because if the highest power of an equation is 3, there must be 3 factors. If the highest power is 5, there must be 5 factors. So what do we do here now? So I'm going to apply my long division method, which is what? X raised to power 3 plus 6x squared minus x minus 6. I will now divide it by what? By the first factor. So I will divide x minus 1 divided by x raised to power 3. Do you know how we do this? You say x raised to power 3 divided by x, you get x squared. So you now say x squared times x, you get x raised to power 3 minus x squared times 1, x squared. Then you subtract it. This will give us 0. 6x squared minus x squared, that is 7x squared. Then you bring this one down. Minus x minus 6. You say 7x squared divided by x. That will give us 7x. Say plus 7x. 7x times x will give us 7x squared minus 7x times 1 as 7x. You subtract again. This will give us 0. Minus x minus this. This will give me 6x minus what? 6. Then you say 6x divided by x. That will give us 6. 6 times x will give us 6x minus 6 times 1 will give us 6. This will give us 0, 0. So that means that the quotient I have here, the quotient plus 6 is equal to 0. So you have to factorize this quotient too. And you don't look for two numbers that can times that will give us 6. And when you plus, you will get 7. That's 6 times 1. So that is x plus 6. And x plus 1 equals to 0. That means x plus 6 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So x is equals to minus 6, or x is equals to what? Minus 1. Therefore, the 3 possible values of x is equals to, the first one here is 1, comma, followed by what? Minus 6 or minus 1. So for the question, x can be 1, x can be minus 6, or x can be minus 1. So these are some of the complex questions you will encounter when you are solving JAMB question. Thank you. Watch the next video. Yes.